All right, I am live on this thing. So I'm trying to use YouTube Creator Studio, see if that takes up a little bit less RAM than my actual last video um because last time I tried to use Wondershare, it took a little bit less RAM. But let me know if you guys know any comments or honestly at this point. Honestly, at this point, I'm just trying to make sure that I build up a good streams. That way, if anybody's tuning in and wants to see my code and wants to see me code in real time, you know, it's a good little avenue to not only show you guys what I'm doing or whoever's watching, if anybody, but to show. Let's be honest. I just want to show employers that your boy knows what he's talking about. So that is the goal. All right, let's get popping. Let me see. How do I do this right here? Okay. First, I'm going to try to see if I can do a picture in picture. And if I can't do a picture in picture, then we are messed. We're not in a good spot. Share screen. Perfect. Perfect. This has to work. Okay. Sweet. Nice. It's working. All right. Good. Share the screen. All right. And we say I'm just playing content. I want to make it if it's like if you guys like it, then we like it. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna make this happen. So I'll show you guys exactly what I'm working on right now. And I know right now it's gonna be a little bit more disorganized, but trust me, it will be organized as the more time we go. It's only the second video that I'm doing right here. This is the HTML foundations that I'm doing right here. Let me see if I can open this with live server. And the thing, I had everything organized. The problem was that Wondershare was taking up a lot of RAM. Not only that, a lot of CPU. Honestly, I probably need a better computer in order to. Honestly, I probably need a better computer in order to make stuff happen. But your boy, he needs money to make that happen. And hopefully, with the help of YouTube, we can finagle employers that I am much better of a developer than I actually am. Now, I'm not saying that I suck by no means, but I'm saying that these recruiters want me to become the best developer of all time. I mean, they're looking for years of experience for an entry level position, which is very interesting. But I don't know. That's another rant. I'm ranting along. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off right. So let's give a little bit of a context right here. And let me see what you guys can see. Okay. Perfect. Side, I have the code that's going on. It's fundamental blog preview card right here. Right side, I am going to be working on I'm working on a preview as well as having some tools that I need. So preview right here, tools right here. Here I have some of the things that I'm working on. And then here, as far as the image goes, this is what I want it to look like. I also have some images right here on the designs, on the assets. And the cool thing is this style guide just gives me a little bit of things as far as what the colors need to be, which is good. I already know that the styles.css is working right here. I already attached those files right over here in this area. I should attach it a little bit below the title actually, if I want to be really picky with it. which is like not necessarily picky, but it's more direct and exact. So now at this point, what I want to do is I want to start off by creating a reset.css. What that's going to do is it's going to reset these margins right here. As you can see, there's a lot of there's a little bit of padding right over here. I feel a little bit of lag when I'm live streaming right now, but hopefully reset.css. Let me look. Look it up. All right, and this reset.css should do the trick. Actually, no, let me get the previous version, because I think I had a little bit of issue with this version last time I tried to use it. So Control-Alt, Control-Copy, and then I want to go right here, and then Control-V, and then it should reset almost everything. I think that everything's going to be about the same height. The only thing is, like I said, usually it's immediate, it's quick. Right now, live server is being a little bit slow because of the live streaming. There we go. Boom. But we'll make it happen. All right, so we're seeing that right here. I do have my hello world. I do have all this stuff right over here. So now what I need to do is I'm going to set some variables on styles. So I'm going to set some variables on styles.css. I don't need this h1 to be the color red, but I do want to set some variables on styles.css. I also am going to look at my style guide as well and make sure I import this font family with the font weights of 800 and font weights of 800 and this time, which should make it's going to be a little bit interesting instead of using Sass. Font size. It's going to be 16 pixels. Okay, let me make sure everything is all set to go. And then I believe it was 800 and 500. Let me see. Yep, 800 and 500. So I'm going to go right here. I could just get the entire font if I want. Actually, no, that's not how it works. See, give me 1 second. Come on. This is where I would normally speed up. If my computer keeps going slow like this, what I'm going to do, if my computer's going to keep going this slow, what I might do is I might postpone this stream. And to get info, so I put this right here in the HTML file. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go right here, put this on the HTML file, just like that. And this right here, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go put insert it on the body. Now the entire body is going to have that font family of Fig Tree. which should be reflective right now on the. It should be reflective as long as it goes a little bit quicker. There we go. Perfect. And I like to do FW 500, just like that. And it's going to be font weight. And that'll be given a 500. And I'll do the same for the 8. So that way I could just add that class whenever I need to. And this shouldn't take me that long. Okay, with that being said now, all right, it seems to not be moving slow, but if this computer starts moving super slow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up, I'm going to figure out how to do this. I'm going to figure out, I'm going to stop the stream and then figure out another day to do this because I want to be productive with this thing, and I also want to, make sure that you guys get an entertaining stream rather than right now. It's adding a little stress to me. So, okay, so here we go. So I'm setting now the colors for what we're using. Right now we have these colors right here. So here's how we're gonna set that happen. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go yellow. This one's gonna be white. This one I don't need that here. This we need semicolons for all of our stuff. And that's the cool thing about these fundamental projects is that it just does give you exactly what you need, but without giving you the answers. So which one is this one again? I actually forgot. Great. And this one is black. Probably in about 5 minutes, I'm going to respond to my text messages just to make sure that I'm keeping up my socials. But like I said, I need that done. I'll do that in about 10 minutes real quick. First, I want to make sure that I have this correct, ready to go. Right. I'm going to have a main section, which is going to span the width. I'm going to have a main section, which is going to span the width of 100%. I don't need this. I do need my card. So I'm going to add a card class. And it's not a Bootstrap card. Here's where we need to start. I'm just going to go right here in main. And then this will be width. It'll be 100%. Not like that. Will be 100%. And min height will be 100 dBH, which is dynamic view height. And then after that, I want the background color to be yellow. So background color. And I wanted this nice yellow. Yellow. Perfect. And it should have that. So I should have that, just that background color of yellow. Perfect. I'm guessing now. since I don't have any Figma files, honestly, that would take up a lot of CPU. But since I don't have any Figma files, I'm just kind of eyeballing it right now. So I'm gonna have that card. Give me 1 second. I gotta respond to this really quick. Give me 1 second. Let me respond to all these because I want to make sure that that I am everything good. I'll be back in 1 second. Perfect. Back. Okay. So now let me see if I can get this done real quick. By the way, I don't know who's here. By the way, I don't know who's here, who's gonna be here. All that good jazz. My question is one of my questions is who's winning, Kendrick or Drake? Leave it in the comments below. Let me know. Anyways, let me just set everything up. Like I said, my computer's still going a little bit slower, so come on. I feel like I'm like trying to fire up a lawnmower, and it's not firing up. Face paint, everybody. Let me. Just give me 1 second. All right. Let me see here. I responded to everybody. Okay, let's get back. Let's dive back into this and see where we're at. I have no idea where this goes, by the way. Where does this go? Okay, let's dive back into it. So I have the background color of that. I have my card. See if I get back into this right here. So now I have my card. I want my card to have a padding. I want it to have and I want it to be inside the main. I want to have a padding of 24 pixels, which is going to be 1.5 REM. And I know that because I deal with 16 pixels all the time. I think, yeah. I want a border of, we'll do 1 pixel, and we'll do black, and it'll be solid. No, black, not gray. And this will be solid because I don't want it to be spotted or anything like that. And so, yeah. Okay. I want that background color to be white. I want, what else do I want on this thing? Here we go. I want max width. I want it 1 REM. Oh no, not 1 REM. 546 pixels. I want this main to have a display flex because that's what I'm going to put in the center. And I want justify content center. And I want align item center. And I want to give a border radius probably of 1 REM, maybe. So that should be a good border radius for now. What else do I need? If I have that as width now, sometimes what will happen is that if I have this width 100%, then there might be a little bit of trailing on the left and right. But right now, it's not the case. So you don't really need to worry about that right now. What else do I need to do? I think that's it for now. Okay. So I'm gonna have the top. I could add a little bit of JavaScript to it. That way, I don't know. How am I gonna do this? Yeah, right now I'm gonna wave Sayonara to everybody, and I'm gonna see if I can figure out another way to make this thing not lag, because right now this thing is lagging. It might be just my computer. I don't know yet. All right. Let me see here.